Hello friends, we have already started the chapter admission of a partner. Also we have discussed about the definition and what needs for the admission of partner. Here I am going to discuss about different method of valuation of goodwill. So first method of valuation of goodwill is average profit, second weighted average profit, third one super profit method, and fourth one capitalization method. First of all, I am going to discuss about the average profit method. So name indicate average profit. So here goodwill is calculated on the average basis of profit of past few years. So goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. This is the formula of goodwill in average profit method. What goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. So how to calculate average profit? You know well how to calculate average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit. So whatever profit of given of past year, so total of that profit is total profit upon number of years. Suppose 5 years, so divided 5, 10 years, then divided by 10. So here formula of goodwill by average profit method is goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. And how to find average profit? Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years, and number of year purchase is already given in your book. Second one is weighted average profit method. So weighted average profit method, in this we have to give weight of different years profits, but at the time of given weight, what we see, higher weight are assigned to the recent years. Higher weights are assigned to the recent year प्रॉफिट. अभी के जो नियर बाय ईयर का प्रॉफिट है उसको ज़्यादा वेट दिया जाएगा. एंड लोअर वेट आर असाइन टू द पास्ट ईयर्स. जैसे जैसे पास्ट ईयर होते जाएंगे वैसे उसका वेट भी कम होता जाएगा. सो हायर वेट इज गिवन टू द रिसेंट ईयर एंड lower weight are assigned to the past year. So formula for weighted average profit you have already discussed in statistic also in the class 11, weighted average profit. So total profit of total product of profit upon total weight. Total product of profit. So how to get total product of profit? So profit into weight. Profit into weight is equal to total profit and upon total weight. So here total of weight. So for this weighted average profit you have to prepare 3 column. First column is profit, second column is weight, and third column is multiplication of both, means profit and weight. That will be the total product upon total of weight. So total of weight. In this way we find the weighted average profit, but here we have to find goodwill by weighted average profit. So goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. Same like this. In average profit, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase, and weighted profit in place of average profit we will write here weighted average profit into number of year purchase. Now third method is super profit method. Super profit method. The excess profit over the normal profit is termed as super normal profit. So super normal profit here means the excess profit over the normal average profit is super normal profit. So for that what we require? So for that capital employed, we have to find capital employed. So capital, for finding capital employed we need all asset minus goodwill minus fictitious asset minus external liability. In this way we have to find capital employed. All asset minus goodwill minus fictitious asset minus external liabilities. Now how to find normal profit? So normal profit is equal to capital employed. That we have already discuss the previous page. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. In this way we will find normal profit. What? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Then super profit is equal to एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. जो एवरेज प्रॉफिट आएगा उसमें से नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट माइनस करेंगे. नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कैसे लाया? इन दिस वे नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू normal rate of return upon 100. So normal rate of return should be given in your amount of sums. So finding goodwill by super profit method. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. How to find super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. How to find normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into NRR, normal rate of return upon 100. And how to find average profit? Profit upon number of year. Now fourth method for calculating goodwill, capitalization. In this also two type of method, capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. So capitalization of average profit, in this how to find capitalized? First of all we have to find capitalized value. So capitalized value is equal to average profit into 100 upon NRR. In this way reverse. So here capitalized value is equal to average profit into 100 upon NRR. And to finding goodwill, goodwill is equal to capitalized value. It is found by this formula, capitalized value minus actual capital employed. That is the capitalization by of average profit. Once again, capitalized value is equal to average profit into 100 upon NRR, and goodwill is equal to capitalized value minus actual capital employed. And you know how to find capital employed. Now second one is capitalization of super profit. Goodwill is equal to, for finding capitalization value, capitalization of super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon NRR. Super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. And how to find super profit? You know, average profit minus normal profit. In this way different method of calculating goodwill. So four methods are there. First method, which one? Average profit. And how to find average profit? Goodwill. So goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase, and for finding average profit, total profit upon number of year. Second method, weighted average profit. So weighted average profit is equal to weighted average into number of year purchase. And how to find weighted average? So for that, total product upon total weight. Then super profit method, how to find super profit? So super profit into number of year purchase. Capitalization method, in that also two methods are there that already we have discussed, capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. And again in super profit method you have to remember all these things. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit, and for normal profit you have to multiply capital employed into NRR upon 100. So different formulas are there. You have to revise this formula. Then after we will do the sum. But you have to remember this formula and theory. So you have to revise all the theory and formula. Then only you are able to do the sum. Because where to put which amount, that you can understand only by revise this formula. So I hope you will revise the formula in theory of this, then you can easily do the sum. Thank you.